dear students. Now today I am going to start activity 2 of chapter 6, division. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 1 is totally based on the properties of division. Number A, 928 is divided by 1 is equals to dash. The property number 1, when a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. So when a number is divided by 1, then we get the quotient is number itself. Now the second B, 1775 is divided by 1775 is equals to dash. This is the property number 2, when a number is divided by a number itself, then the quotient is 1. When a number is divided by a number itself, then the quotient is 1. Now the C part, 0 is divided by 425 is equals to dash. When 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is always 0. Again I repeat, when 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is always 0. Here children, you remember one thing, that division by 0 is not possible. This may ask in true, false, or tick the correct options and one word question in that. This type of statements be asked. So remember, division by 0 is not possible. It means if number is given here and then 0 be there, then not possible. That becomes not possible. Only this, when 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is always 0. But this type of that division by 0 is not possible. So you should remember these two things. Okay. Now we continue the D1. Dash is divided by 1 is equals to 888. Now here which number comes? That is 888. Because here in first we studied that when a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. So only when a number is divided by 1, then we get the quotient, the number itself. Now the E part, dash is divided by 235, that is equals to 1. Here a number is divided by the number itself, then only the quotient is 1. So here the answer is 235. Now children, one more property, that is the division algorithm. The formula of this is dividend is equals to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. This is the formula of division algorithm. That is, we call the division algorithm. For checking the division, we use this formula. Dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now question number 2, divide and then check whether the dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now you look here, first we divide it. Here we write the dividend, here we write the divisor. Now we see the single number, that single number is less than this divisor, so we take the 2 number and we get that, and we tell the table of 5 and write the nearer to this number. That is 5 8s are 40, more than that 5 7s are 35. It is also more than that, then 5 6s are 30 we write. And subtract 2 minus 0, that is 2, 3 minus 3, 0. Then we write 8. Now again we tell the table of 5, that is 5 5s are 25. 6 times it is more. Now we subtract it, 8 minus 5, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. So our remainder is 3 and the quotient is 65. This is the divisor and this is the dividend. Now we write the formula of checking of division is this: dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. In short form, we write divisor as divisor, and divisor we can write the full, because dividend and divisor both start from D. So here we write the divisor as full, and for quotient we write Q, and for remainder we write R. This is the formula, children, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we substitute the value here. Divisor is 5, quotient is 65 and remainder is 3. Now we multiply 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30 plus 2 32 and then add 3 in that. Then we get 328. This is the dividend. So our division, what we will divide it here, that is correct. The quotient is 65 and the remainder is 3, because by checking method we see that the dividend is 328 and it is already given in our question. The next is D part, 565 divided by 9. Here we write the dividend and here we write the divisor. Now we tell the table of 9. Children, you should learn the tables by heart. Then you can divide it and multiply very easily. You tell the table of 9, 9 6 are 54. You write it here. Now we have subtracted 6 minus 4, that is 2. 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Now this 5 we write it here. Again we tell the table of 9. 9 2s are 18. Then we borrow it from here. 15 minus 8, that is 7. And 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0. So this is the remainder. The short form of remainder we write R, and this is the quotient. So the short form Q we write it. And this is the divisor and this is the dividend. Now we write the formula for checking of division, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is called the division algorithm. Now is equals to divisor, the 9 is given and quotient 62. Now we multiply by these 2 and we add remainder in that. So we multiply these 2, then we get 558 and add 7 in that, then we get 565. This is the dividend, and already in our question the dividend is given, that is 565. Both are the same, so here the divide is correct. This shows that our divide is correct. Now children, this is your homework. Do question number 1 in book and question number 2 B and C part in your notebook. Clear?